Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change my Gmail to a business email. So I'm provide full guide. Please don't skip my video. So at first open your Gmail. So this is my Gmail dashboard. So as you can see in the top right corner showing you to setting icon. Just press on and go to quick settings showing you to see all settings. Just open this. Press on account and import. Okay, and you get check mail from other account. Press on add a mail account and you just add mail account that you wanna make it business account. Okay, I'm just select this mail account, press on next. Okay, and click on to next. Okay, you just enter the password and you just enter your password and press on to next, then successfully add this option. Okay, and the next step, click on to profile, manage your Google account and press on people and sharing. Scroll down. Then you get this option. Make sure to turn on this option. Now it's already turned off and turn on this option and you can easily enjoy this feature. So that's it.